Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decor Ideas. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and please make sure press the bell icon so you told any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about cake designs in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, stylish, eye-catching cake decor ideas from this video. Where do you watch my video? Please tell me in comment box. I hope you enjoy my video, the most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. I hope you enjoy my video, the creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you like these designs. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love my cake designs. I hope this video is very authentic and creative for your beautiful video and beautiful ideas. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. Cake decor ideas can evaluate any celebration. All the designs are very unique and trendy. Cake decor ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. If you like more ideas or more specific design, then please visit my channel. These designs are very unique and trendy. If you like any designs and if you know my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can use each theme perfect for celebrations, birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, groom shower, anniversary, professional party or any other celebrations. I am sure cake design from this video. If you want to see more make cake design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.